In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your network settings in Windows. This simple guide will help you adjust your network preferences with ease, ensuring a smooth and reliable internet connection. Now let's get started. To begin, we'll navigate to the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, which is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then selecting the gear icon for settings. This action opens up a window where you can manage various settings on your computer. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to find and click on Network and Internet. This section is where all your internet and connectivity options are located. It may be listed in your Settings menu among other choices such as System, Devices, and Personalization. Clicking here will open a new window with more specific network options. Now let's focus on the left-hand side of the new window, where you'll see a list of options. From this list, find and click on Ethernet. This section deals specifically with your wired connections. Once selected, you'll see details concerning your Ethernet settings, including options related to your IP assignment, DNS server assignment, and details about your IPv4 DNS servers. To adjust these settings, you'll need to look for options to change them to Automatic DHCP. This configuration allows your computer to automatically obtain IP and DNS server addresses, streamlining your connection process. Often Digital Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP for short, is preferred because it takes care of the technical aspects of network configuration, ensuring that your device connects to the internet efficiently and without interference. Once you've made this change, the setup is complete. Double-check that you've selected Automatic DHCP correctly before closing out of the settings. These adjustments should optimize your network configuration, allowing for smoother connectivity and potentially improved speeds and reliability. If your connection isn't working as expected after following these steps, restarting your computer can help apply the settings fully. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Windows settings to adjust your Ethernet configuration to Automatic DHCP. This simple yet critical setting ensures that your device stays connected by allowing the network to assign IP addresses dynamically. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips.